If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified on every new upload.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Dr. Teeth. Today we are going to study about Jackson's Triad. So Jackson's Triad is a very famous question that is asked for final year students. So it will be one of the favorite questions of the examiners. So let us see what is a Jackson Triad. So whenever we are doing any orthodontic treatment, we have a certain aims, right? And what aims do we have? First of all, we want looks to correct, for example. And what I mean by this is that we want the appearance of the teeth to kind of go towards the ideal. So the first aim is this, and the second aim is we also want functional efficiency. We also want the corrected teeth to function properly, isn't it? And the third aim is that we want all the teeth as well as the surrounding structure to have a balance. So this aim, this look aim, that is the aesthetic harmony, aesthetic. And this aim of maintaining the function, it is the functional efficiency. And this aim right here of maintaining the balance, that is called the structural balance. So by structural balance, we mean that if we are treating, for example, the teeth, it should not have a negative impact on, let's say, the periodontal ligament. So there should be structural balance, means treatment of one factor should not have a negative or detrimental impact on the other factor or other surrounding tissues. So these three aims, the aesthetic harmony, functional efficiency and structural balance, if you can imagine it, let us imagine it, we can consider it to be the sides of a triangle, okay? And since they are trio or three, they are called as triad, and it was given by Jackson. That is why it is called Jackson's Triad. And yes, this is probably the shortest video on Dr. Teeth. I hope you found the video helpful. If yes, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to do all the formalities as I've been telling you till now. Share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.